Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies first, Sagittarius. So we have Tower, Messenger of Air, and Seven of Water. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Sagittarius, maybe in your work circumstances or in your relationship, you are someone who has a lot of experience and talents and knowledge based on that. And maybe today you feel that you are the one who knows everything, and instead of assessing the present situation, seeing things with clarity, you are responding or reacting based on the past, maybe the experiences you had in your life. You would have seen a lot and you have formed certain opinions about some situation, and you are handling things from your experience or from your wisdom. Most of the times that may work out for you guys, but sometimes you need to see with clarity, with more clarity today, guys. Maybe from a different perspective. You need to see the present situation from a different perspective. If you don't do that, you are going to make some rash choices or some rash decisions today, something that may not work out. It may just be some impulsive action and it may not be the right thing for you guys. So your situation, things are happening all of a sudden. There may be some unexpected events coming towards you, some unexpected changes, some decisions need to be made today immediately, but you are guided by your experience and past today, guys. And even in this relationship, you are dreaming about your person, thinking and planning your future, dreaming and living in your dreams. But sometimes you must go for action, guys. Make it possible. To make it possible in this relationship, you must be able to manifest those dreams in reality, guys. So if you want those dreams to come into your reality, maybe simply fantasizing about this person or dreaming about them is not going to help you today. So you must come to action, trying to work with that person, trying to build that understanding and love. So when you have that, when you have a beautiful understanding, harmonious relationship with this person, that is going to take you forward towards your dreams and goals. And maybe that is the time for that, guys. So simply building castles in air is not going to take you anywhere today, Sagittarius. So you must remain flexible, open. Maybe you have seen a lot in your past. Your experiences have given you a lot of knowledge. But maybe if you want love, if you want true love, you should be able to see your present situation from a different perspective that is going to give you the truth. So let's see the card for your relationship, guys. It's 5 of air. So with this card in your relationship, guys, you need to change the way you are thinking, guys. Again, it's a same card. So maybe not every time, you will not be right each and every time. You need to understand that. So you need to change the way you perceive your situation. That is going to take you towards a positive outcome in your relationship, guys. Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, Sagittarius. So we have King of Earth. So you are someone really practical, you have a lot of experience in your life, you are committed to your career situation, guys. So that may be the reason you are seeing some good changes in your career situation, Sagittarius. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Sagittarius, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this card, the first card, let's see what it is. She offers the sacred wine, so drink. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, you may have a lot on your shoulders, a lot of burdens, a lot of things to do which demands your attention, which demands your work and efforts. But today, the universe or the Holy Spirit or God or whatever you call it, the higher spirit, is coming towards you with a guidance. So it is giving you a sacred wine. It may be a blessing, guys, which you never expected. It may be a blessing that is giving you peace and harmony in your heart of hearts. So maybe you should be able to receive this blessing and be ready to feel drunk with that sacred wine. So what does that mean? It just means that we must let go of all our inhibitions, whatever is holding us back today, and step forward in life wherever life is leading us. Maybe there are some offers or opportunities coming our way. It may not be according to our dream or expectation. It may be something surprising, something coming. And it is also a guidance for us to let go of all the rules and our ideals, whatever we have, and take time off, feel free from whatever is holding us back, maybe even from our day-to-day activities. Maybe we must take a break, feel that silence and bliss in our heart, take time maybe to relax ourselves. So when we do that, we will feel more rejuvenated, detoxed from our day-to-day life. That is what this card is about, guys. So we must put aside the seriousness we have and feel free or feel happy to do whatever we love to do or whatever comes to us. maybe spontaneously we may feel like doing something, maybe painting or going out, taking a break from work. So whatever it is, it's simply going to act as an inspiration today, guys, for us. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the energy. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it is the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you are someone who is really patient and loyal, trustworthy. You are a very reliable person, friendly person, and that may be the reason people love you. And this card stands for friendship. Maybe someone has moved away from you. That person would have been your very close friend, maybe because of some addictive behaviors or something. They have moved away and they have even forgotten this friendship you both shared. But today, just because of the way you are a true friend, a loyal friend, trustworthy friend, and your patience and love towards this person has changed them today, guys. They are coming back to you. So that is what this card is about. So it may be your friend or it may be the person you love. So they are seeing things more clearly today, and they are releasing themselves from the grasp of some addictions. They would have found it really difficult till now, but today they are coming back to you, guys. They want to come back and they are giving up these addictive behavior or some kind of obsession they had. So that is the energy with this card. So you are going back to that enduring bond you both had, that love and friendship you both had. So your love and friendship has triumphed today, guys. It has triumphed over all the obstacles you had, maybe the addictions or some other obstacles it may be, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.